YouTubers, 40-plusers, if you're lost on the interwebs, welcome to the September Birchbox unboxing. This is a no judgy zone. Okay, so in a no judgy zone approach, here's the box. It's kind of cool, abstract-y, flowers, sort of. And it says, "Psst, you're beautiful." And you know what? You are. Okay. Pillow packy thing. I've been playing with this stuff a little bit, so it's been molested. Okay, so here's the package that's left. RUSK Elixir Mist Thermal Shine Mist. No hold. So I actually need a travel hairspray and I'm not getting one. I had tons. I used them. Now I'm not getting in. I want a travel hairspray. Come on, subscription boxes. Hook a sister up. So this is a hair thing. I don't dry or apply heat to my hair at all, so this is completely extraneous to me. Let's see what it smells like. It smells delicious. Because it smells good. Kind of vanilla caramel nut. I am washing my hair after a while, and it doesn't make my hair wet. It looks like it's an oil. I'm washing my hair, obviously. Thermal Shine Mist, Elixir Mist. Okay, so this is an oil that smells delicious. Let's see what it says. It just says put on dry hair in style. It doesn't help me. Silicones in the ingredient list. Lots of silicones. Smells awesome. Not something that I particularly need to put on my hair, but it smells really good. Maybe someday I'll, I don't even own a hairdryer, so maybe someday I'll actually buy a hairdryer. Yes, I need to cut my hair. That's in a ponytail. That smells awesome. It's very silicone-y feeling. Doesn't make your hair wet at all. Alright, the second item is Acure, which is a very good for you skincare brand. Superfruit Chlorella Growth Factor Combo to Oily Skin. So this is vegan, sulfate-free, cruelty-free, paraben-free, PEG-free, petroleum-free, phthalate-free, silicone-free, gluten-free, synthetic fragrance-free, won't clog pores, also known as non-comedogenic, and biodegradable 100%. So this is made by Acure Organics. I actually came across Acure a couple of years ago in the organic and health food section of my local Wegmans grocery store. should be sealed. They usually are. It is sealed. I'm not going to open it up. Chlorella, it probably is green. Superfruit plus chlorella. I bet you this is green. I think that's a green algae. We'll have to see. And this is a itty bitty stubby. Not even as long as, it's 2 knuckles worth of Anastasia Perfect Brow Pencil in medium brown. Okay, let's take a look at this. I'm going to do this over here. So, right there. It's certainly not a precision application, just looking for a color match. What? I just made that one spot really dark. Color match is okay. It's not great. It's a little ashy for me. So, Anastasia Beverly Hills Perfect Brow Pencil in medium brown. Stub of a pencil. Needs to be sharpened. Trestique Mini Concealer Crayon in the shade Bisque. I have a coffee brown eyeshadow crayon or eyeliner. It's an eyeshadow thing, and I really like it. And so this is a mini concealer crayon. The packaging fooled me once before. So let's see how much product we get. A decent amount of product for a sample. No smell. That's good. I'm going to put it right down the center of my hand. Okay, I'll put that away. So this is applied right here. It's not blended in or anything. Right here. So that's interesting. Easy to blend. Yes. I have to do a skin test before I put it on my face. Make sure I don't have any weird reactions to it. There it is, blended out. It's just blended right there. Did a little vein coverage, maybe. Okay. Those are swatches from some other video. Just checking. So this is a Julep Olive Gel Eye Glider, and it's set, and this is a Physician's Formula for green eyes, and it is also set. So that's good news. Hey, look what I found, the card. Take $20% off any purchase of $35 plus. And here's this long ass code. Look how long that code is. Boom. And let's see. Here's the card. Acure Organics, check. Anastasia Beverly Hills, check. Nerd Skincare. Excuse me. Oh, I see it. It's in the bottom of the box. Hold on. We'll get to that. RUSK Elixir Mist. Color, thermal, and UV protectant. Instantly absorbing, shine enhancing spray. Trestique Correct and Cover Concealer Crayon in Bisque. Foolproof, blendable, formula infused with coconut oil, conceals dark spots and stays all day. It did do a vein cover on the back of my hand, so we'll have to see how this works under eye circles. Let's check the match. So you can see the veins. I'm going to try some vein correct covering. Okay, so I drew it on. There it is drawn on. Now I'm going to blend it in just a second. Let it sit there for a minute. Nerd Skincare Super Hydrating Mask, set of 3. Retails for $56. So this mask is one of 3. And all 3 are $56. Is it 14? 15? 16 is 48. $18 a piece? Is that right? I think that's right math. $18 a piece. This is an $18 mask. Boom. Nerd. Okay, so it says with this mask, hydrates, boosts hyaluron synthesis, and improves collagen genesis, blah, 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 suppleness, firmness, and resilience. That sounds really interesting. A lot of science listed on here. Licorice root, squalane, okay, so this is one of those masks that actually covers your entire face. I really enjoy those. It feels, I don't know if we can give you any sense of that, but it feels thick and nourishing. Just in the package, you can tell it's not a paper mask. It's got some thickness to it. Okay. Water, cucumber extract, glycerins, hydrogenated maltose syrup, sugar. Urea, that's going to do the tightening and firming. As much as we don't like that concept, that's what it does. Collagen, squalane, alcohol, quince seed, shea butter. Excuse me, jojoba. Arginine, it's an anti-inflammatory, I think. L-arginine. Hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, allotonin, honey protein. It's also going to do some firming and tightening. It's got an algae. Excuse me. Wow. Anyway, I can't wait to try this. I'm going to try this on the coming weekend. Give myself a spa day while I'm working on work and school. So I am digging everything in here, even the RUSK, even though I probably will never use it more than I have because I don't apply heat to my hair. But this is really disappointing. I mean, come on! Do you know how hard it is to sharpen one when they're this short? But the skincare mask makes up for everything else. So I'm really pleased with this. And here's the card. And you can zoom in if you want. And I'm pleased that I can't stop yawning. I should refilm this, but I'm too tired. So you're gonna get what you get, and you're gonna like it. Okay. Be happy, be healthy, or be something. Just be calm. And makeup on. Wipe on, wipe off. Okay, I've completely lost my mind now. I'm going to go to bed. This is Deborah. Good night.